Hello friends, I am S. currently studying in 4th semester in ICT department at Marwadi University. Now in this video, I am going to show you one statistical software name is InVivoStat. Now this software is basically designed for the animal experiment researchers, which those who are research on animal, for that this software is developed. But in nowadays this software is useful in any industry or now you can see here that basically three option is there. My data, statistic. In statistic there are so many options, and my analysis, and there is the setting. So first of all, if you click on my data, here the data file that you are previously uploaded on that software is shown. So I upload one data file named COVID-19 geographic distribution worldwide. So if you want to upload the new data sheet, then you have to click on upload data, and you have to upload a CSV Excel file. After that, in statistic, if you are going summary statistic, so it ask about the select the data set. So after selecting summary statistic, in responses, here you can see that input options and output options. So in input options, in responses, we have to select the any numerical column. So here already in your data set there is a column of data, day, month, year already are given by the software. Sorry. So here we can select any of the cases, and one more death. So here in output option, we need mean, number of total cases, variance. So we have to tick mark that option, and simply we have to submit. So after submitting, it takes some time. Here it is reading processing, and after processing the data, it will show the result. So in result, you can see that the here in table form, for the we select the response as cases. So for all cases, mean is 136.644, etc. Total cases 91, variance of cases, standard deviation, and variance said that the set of data which is spread out total, and the standard deviation which says is the how much the data is spread out with respect to mean. And here you can see that for the death is column, mean is a total death, variance is, and etc. So by next, in parameter analysis, we can select any one correlation, linear regression, etc. So I can select the correlation analysis. So after that, here you can see that the input option and output same is it, and here we have to select the responses. So in responses, we select the any one which is cases or same death is. So in output, we have correlation coefficient, test statistic, p-value, scatter plot if we need scatter plot, and simply we have to submit. So after some time, we get the result, and here you can see the scatter plot of the observed data, the death versus cases in a scatter plot. how much death are from the total cases. It represent here it represent the correlation between the death and cases. The table is the two side Pearson's. The Pearson is a scientist, and it tells about the some statistic, and the here you can say first variable, second variable, correlation coefficient. So this all value as automatically calculated by the software, p value, etc. So after that, next is we show the graphical analysis. So again we have to select the data set on which we have to do the graphical analysis. So I submit. So in graphical analysis, here you can see that input options and output option, two part is there. Now in the responses I have select the cases, and in x variable I have select the month. So same we have to write here on x axis, here is the month, and on y axis is the cases, and main plot is name of the main plot. We give any. So simply we have to type the plot type of plot which will we need as output, a scatter plot. Here all options are there. You can see the box plot. Uh, uh, Next is histogram. So after some time we get the result, and for the selected variable here the which we are selecting input, here also is there. Here is graph graph name is COVID-19, scatter plot is there, and it shows the month versus cases. So in first month how many cases, second month, third month, 4 month. There is the one dot because of the this is of the 2019 12 month, and these 4 month are of 2020. Here there is the p value, again the Pearson correlation coefficient and p value, which is automatically calculated by the software. Now in my analysis you can see that it shows that the so on previously you are working on graphical analysis, correlation. Currently we are so see the graphical analysis, correlation analysis, summary statistic, etc., and which all result are stored by the software. And you can simply, if you want to read our previous data or previous analysis, then simply we have to click on view result and reanalysis or delete the this analysis. So in statistic there are so many options, parametric or in additional analysis, graphical analysis, power analysis, etc. So we can calculate data on anything.